Yeah, I think you can all hear me. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, the sound is working. So yeah, hi Vinay. So yes, I have also told you in the past that yes, most of you'll think that the indicator is not working, and I mean you see that you will think that there might be something that you need to change. So, but it's not like that. I already told you that the indicator is not like going to give you always the signal. Okay, so if you are expecting the signal from the indicator always to trade, so yes, there is no such indicator. Okay, because if there was any such indicator which will give you always the signal, always it will tell you that next candle is green or red. So then it won't be the story of a stock market, right? So stock market is not that easy. So yes, but what the indicator does is it gives you the direction. Okay. So if yeah, hi Jacob, are they really back? BN is in. So you see, Jacob. So the thing is that I only worry about tomorrow. Okay, so I'm a trader. I just only worry about tomorrow. After that, I'll just again see if the bulls are still there or the bears are back. Okay, it doesn't matter to me that after tomorrow or maybe in the second half the bulls vanishes. Okay, so it doesn't matter to me. So only it matters to me is like in the first half the bulls will be there. Okay, so and I'm a trader. I just want to make money, and I'll just be getting out with the bulls. Okay, so yes. So let's first come to the indicators. Yeah, hi Vinay. So yeah, if you look at the indicators, so I mean the Nifty, you can very well see the score started 23, then 24, then it was above 15. Okay, so I mean it was showing strength. Okay, and the Nifty was showing strength here, right? And for Bank Nifty was also showing strength, and you see that let's come to the I mean Bank Nifty, this is Nifty, and let's come to Bank Nifty 5 minutes candle. So yes, so if you see Nifty, so you see that first there was a very green candle. Okay, so why this green candle? Because I mean they were having put writing positions. In yesterday's video also I told you that they did put writing at 18,500 and also some at 18,600. So the FIIs as well as the prop deck. So this had to happen that suddenly even like without either क्या. So this is the very first candle from 9:15 to 9:20. ठीक है, तो you don't even get the OI data till then. You get the you get the at 9:15 you don't get the OI data. You get the first OI data at 9:18. So I mean without getting the Y data you could blindly say that this will go up. Why? Because they were having put writing positions. But after going up you see that market, yes, Nifty showed strength, but again it came down and finally it came down. So the thing is that yes, the first strength that was clearly shown by the indicators. Okay, and here you see that the scores are like somewhat decreasing, so that is basically the positions are getting adjusted. So whenever this increase was happening, so the positions that is the put writing positions, okay, so the put writing positions, they start booking profits, okay, after this huge move, because they have huge positions. Okay, So they have to like they can't just close their positions all of a sudden at one go like us. What we do, we just place our orders and it gets executed. But they have like a huge position, so they need time. So they started offloading these positions here. So that was clearly shown by the indicator. And yes, the strength. And then finally, like before coming down here, so you see that this is the time at 13:30, right? So let's go to 13:30. So you see that there was this, you see the score came down. So you should be like careful here. That is, the thing is that they are booking profits, okay? So that's why I also told in the group that I was going for call writing positions here. So because the put writers were booking profits, so here also then you see again went up. So this is like they give a push and they start closing their positions, and then you see again indicator score coming down, okay? So the indicator captures the activity of the big players and nothing else. You have to understand accordingly what the big players are doing. If you understand that, then you will be able to get the 100% accuracy that I do, okay? So yes, and after that, like if you see here, so this was the signal, that is the put writers are booking profits, okay, and Nifty will be going down, okay? So that was the signal, because if you go during this time, that is 12:46, and this time, during that time, the PCR ratio was in Nifty was 1.48, but the score was decreasing. So you have to like analyze, you have to give logical reason why is it decreasing. Though PCR ratio is so much high, why is it decreasing? And you'll get your answer, okay? So even in Bank Nifty, you see like Bank Nifty, okay, yeah. So Bank Nifty also went up and then again came down. So so Vinay, I think I have been able to clarify your doubt. Like, you have to analyze what is exactly the big players are doing, okay? So then you can like easily get the moves that I talk about in the group. So first let's come here. So in the morning I just told the rally will continue. So the up move was in Nifty, so 9:20 a.m. Okay, so 9:20 a.m. where was Nifty? So this is the candle, so just at the end. So such a big candle, such a big green candle, okay? Nifty was at around 18,618. It was above 600. Okay, there was a chance that there could be a pull down, but I clearly told that the rally would continue, and the rally continued, okay? So yes, the rally would continue, and then the rally continued, and we did for I was already having put short positions from yesterday, and I have already told you in yesterday's video itself, okay? So, and also you know about everything, like I share all my positions on Twitter also. So yes, and also we went for call buying in Nifty, and then we closed at profit, okay? So here put writers were active, and we went for call buying here 9:23, and then we closed at 9:36 with a nice profit, okay? And then at 11:18 I did put buying at 43,200 in Bank Nifty. So keeping these two indices in hand, what it helps you is, if in one of them you are not getting a signal, in the other one you can go and check if there is a signal, okay? So just look at during this time what was happening. So yes, 11:18 where was Nifty? So 11:18 you see 11:15 to 11:20 Nifty was at its peak during that time, okay? So here I was clearly not getting any signal in Nifty, okay? So what should we do then? I went and checked Bank Nifty, okay? Sorry. I went and checked Bank Nifty. So 11:15 Bank Nifty was here, okay? It was at around 43,259. Now this was very tricky. Let me tell you why I did put buying in Bank Nifty at this point. just before the reversal. Okay, so this is also like I mean, no one could expect at around this time that I mean, this fall would come. Okay, so at around here, why did I go for put buying in Bank Nifty? Because 42,000 call writers, sorry, but not 42,000, yeah, 43,200 call writers, they were already present there from the previous day, and market went up and they were trapped. Okay, so the big players were trapped there. So the thing is that they had to book profits, and I knew that finally, मतलब अभी नहीं तो थोड़े देर बाद इसको नीचे जाना ही है. So that's why I did put buying in Bank Nifty, and then also I got a very nice profit. And yes, so then I closed my put buying in Bank Nifty. And yes, so then after that both the scores jumped here 11.34, but I gave the caution that I mean, though there was some up move in Nifty and Bank Nifty, but I told that do not go long. Okay, because that was the final trap. Okay, so here if you see here, sorry, what was the time? This was the time at around 11:34. So after 11:34, if you see 11:30, yeah, so this is the candle 11:32 35, 11:34, suddenly the score jumped. After that you can see there was some rise in Nifty. Okay, and let's see in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also tried, but no, not much. But yes, Nifty, there was some rise. Many would, I mean, I won't say like my members or whatever, many retail traders or whoever have fallen in this trap. They thought that Nifty is now going for 18,700. Here there was the major trap, and I clearly told that do not go long now. Okay, आप मतलब long जाते तो मतलब आपको मतलब ज़्यादा move नहीं मिलता, फिर नीचे आ जाता, you will be trapped. Okay, so I mean, everything was bullish at around this time. Every data point was bullish. PCR ratio was huge, 1.48. Even like when I was shorting the market, like I mean, you see here, I told that do not go long, and then I was waiting for the opportunity. Okay, so even at 18,700 put writers were active. I saw that, but I did not go for long because every data was indicating bullishness, and everyone would go long. So when everyone does the same thing, it doesn't make any sense to go with them. Okay, so this is stock market. If you go with everyone, you are gone. Okay, so you can't, no one can help you. So you have to think out of the box. So yes, now you see 11:57. Okay, 11:57, when I was doing call shots, every data was bullish. So 11:57 was here, 11:55 to 11:12. Okay, so this is the candle where I made the call writing, and then Nifty went up. Okay, so Nifty went up by how much? Like 11,643 to let's take the highest point, like 1170. Okay, so 43 to 70. So I mean, let's take 45 round off. Okay, so like 25 points up move. Okay, so you have to, like, if you're a trader, if you know that you are correct, your analysis is fine. Like I saw something like there was some put buying that was going on. Okay, I analyzed that, so I had the confidence. So I stick to my position, and finally it came down. Okay, so I was trapped during this movement. Okay, but yeah, it was worth it. Like I enjoyed a lot, because the thing is that when you go against everyone and you win, you definitely enjoy it. Okay, so yes, I did enjoy that a lot. And yes, so after that I shorted, and then finally here, just before the 3 p.m. candle, let me tell you today, that is I did put writing. Okay, I closed my call shots that I had done. Okay, then I did put writing. Okay, so the thing was that why I did put writing, because I expected that the 3 p.m. my analysis said that the 3 p.m. candle would go up. Okay, the next move should be up, but today's thing, that is today's move was cancelled. Okay, that will show up tomorrow morning, just tomorrow morning. Okay, so now listen very carefully. If you want to trade profitably tomorrow, so just listen carefully. That is, so these things happen, like the 3 p.m. move. Sometimes it might be cancelled and you may see the move tomorrow, but during the expiry days it has to happen that day, because there is no tomorrow. Okay, so that's why on Thursdays or on expiry days it's very reliable, but on other days you have to be careful. So the thing is that I went with put writing. I knew that if today the move doesn't come, then I can take home my positions, and tomorrow the move will come and I'll be in good profits. Okay, so I knew that 18,600 here, 18,600, the put writers were active and I don't have to worry about anything. So I went with 650 put writing. So let's see. Tomorrow's like my intention is always not to eat the whole premium. My intention is to eat the maximum premium in the least possible time. Okay, so that's why I went with 18,650 put writing for tomorrow. So yes, now let's come to the end of the day data. Okay, so yeah, Bitbull, hi Gautam. Yeah, I have told you many times, that is, the Telegram is only for the members. You have to take the membership. Once you take the membership, I'll let you join ASAP. Yeah, hi Bitbull. So yes, I'll answer the stop loss. Okay, so about the stop loss, I'll answer it. So the thing is, yes, I went with 18,650 put writing for tomorrow. Now let's come to the end of the day data. So end of the day data, if you see, I saw futures long happening. Sorry. Yeah, I saw futures long happening. So yes, futures long also happened, but futures short. Okay, so they are not decreasing, but also like they're almost the same, you can say. थोड़ा बहुत futures short किया गया है, और इधर आते हैं option chain पे आते हैं, तो option chain index you'll see that, oh my god, put writing तो decrease हो गया. Is it really they have decreased? Okay, so what they're trying to do is, let me tell you, they are shifting their positions up. Okay, so here you see that put writers have closed at 18,450. Okay, 18,500. Do you see put writers are closing? Okay, so what they are doing is basically they are shifting towards up. Okay, so once you see that here put writers are closing, you will feel that okay, now market will go down. But what is actually happening is they are closing their positions there and they are making their positions here. The new positions that they have made is at 18,600, 650 as well as 700. Okay, so that's what they are doing. So overall you see the quantity is the same. The quantity is almost the same. Okay, so somewhat, like you can say that somewhat decreased, but almost the same. So they are active with their put writing positions. But you see call writing positions also somewhat closed, but call buying has been done. Okay, so these call buying, so why did I tell you that 3 p.m. candle I expected it to be green? Why? Because I noticed this call buying. These call buying started at 18,000. So these are very important informations for you to trade tomorrow. So please do like the video so that I get inspired to share those information in the future also. So yes, 18,600. You see that the call buying, it started from 88 rupees. Okay, it started from 88 rupees, then it came down to the 70s, then also like at 77, 72. The call buying happened, and then also at 65, okay, 65, 64 also call buying happened. Okay, so that's why I was expecting like the 3 p.m. candle to move up, but yes, they have averaged their positions here, and they were trying to close their call writing positions as much as possible at 18,600, and they have also made some call buying positions. So why am I expecting tomorrow 18,700? Because 18,700 put writers are active, as well as The call buyers are active at 18,600. So 18,600, if you noticed that just before closing suddenly the price jumped to 68. Okay, so I mean, even just before closing the price was very much fluctuating, the premiums. Okay, so even till the end they were buying at 18,500, sorry, 18,600. Okay, so I'm expecting, like, since they have started from 88 rupees, so this 68 rupees, at least it will cross 88 rupees tomorrow morning. Okay, so that's why, like, I'm expecting, like, it might also cross 100 also, but that's the reason I'm expecting 18,700 tomorrow. Even if not 700 comes, it will go very near to that. Okay, so high probability 700 will come, but the most important message or the verdict is that up move. Okay, nothing else. Okay, so until unless some very bad thing happens, up move. Okay, so yes, and let's discuss here. And the thing is that, yes, I have all these so we have discussed these. And yes, put buying quantity has been reduced, you see. Okay, so they have been reduced by a huge quantity. So I mean, that's why, I mean, the big players are not expecting down move. Okay, or I mean, since they are expecting up move tomorrow, they have closed their put buying positions. So anyway, the major thing is that we will see up move tomorrow, and also the futures long positions are also there. Okay, so yes, that's the thing. And for Bank Nifty, so for Bank Nifty, if you see that 43,100, they are basically, like, both the side positions are being made, and Bank Nifty is making both the side movements, if you have noticed. So again, for Bank Nifty, we will have to check the fresh positions tomorrow. So every day the fresh positions are being built up, the writing positions on both the sides, and Bank Nifty is showing both the side movements. Okay, but also in Bank Nifty we would expect the up move in the morning, the first half, and then in the second half we'll see. Okay, and yes, and yes, for today's positions and profits, like, I have already shared here everything. So every trade has been executed with 100% accuracy. So the thing is that I already told you that I do not close all my days in green. Not only that, I close all my trades in green. Okay, so I mean, I shouldn't be very proud of it. I should be very humble, because market is always supreme. But somehow I am being able to do it because I mean, I think I'm analyzing it in some other way, in which I mean, most of the people fail to see. So that might be the thing. But again, I'll be very humble, and I'll be saying is, all I'll be saying is that do your analysis properly, and don't go with all of the people are doing in the stock market. Okay, so don't follow everyone. So don't do what everyone else is doing. Okay, so if you see that I mean, you are not like today here. Okay, today when PCR ratio was 1.48 or 49, so very bullish, and market is like giving signals like I mean, it will just go straight up. Okay, so then just be careful. Okay, so it's not like what everyone expects that happens in the stock market. So yeah, hi Gautam, process. Yeah, you process and we'll get the notification and we'll add you. Okay, Dow is down. Okay, let me see. Yeah, you see, Dow was even down tomorrow also. Did it affect our market? Okay, so it's today it's just minus 38. Okay, so percent. So it's not minus, sorry, 0.38%. So yesterday it was like more than 1% fall. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Like tomorrow, our market will rectify according to the positions that the big players have made, and even it happened today, it happened the day before today. So you see here it happened today, just opening, went straight up. The day before again they had positions, gap down, straight up. So doesn't matter, okay? So just focus on your data, your market, and yes, keep a view about the overall market, that helps. But yes, do not like neglect our, so give the 90% weightage to our data. So yes, yeah, your Bitbull. So your query that do I use stop loss? Why and why not? So most of the time, yes, I do not use stop loss because when I take a trade, I see some signal, I analyze it very well, and I take the trade. Okay. So yeah, so the thing is that, I mean, 90% of the time I would say that I'm very, very confident about my trades. So the thing is that while not 90% of the times, like 100% of the times I am sure about my trades. But again, I would say that this is stock market, okay? Anytime, anything can happen. Like some big player wants to take the market down and some other big players wants to take the market up. I myself, suppose I have followed the first big player and I went short, but the second big player won and it took the market up. Okay, so then I'll be in loss. Okay, I along with that big player who wanted to take the market down, so we will be in a loss. Okay, so yes, but the thing is that whenever the second big player is wanting to take the market up, okay, so here also, even today also, when I was called short, so here when I was called short at around this region, there were two big players. Okay, one wanted to take the market up and the other wanted to take the market down. Okay, so the thing is that I saw that everyone was bullish. Okay, that's why I went against it, and yes, the big player who wanted to take the market down won. But again, tomorrow morning, the big player who lost today will win tomorrow. Okay, so the thing is that now I am with the other big player who lost today. Okay, so I did put writing at 18,650 and I am with that big player who lost today because she or whatever that organization or whoever they are going to win. Okay, so yes, so that's the thing. Like now the question is, when do I close in a loss? The thing is that, first of all, if I have long positions like option buying positions, and I see that I haven't got my move even like at 320 or 325, then I do not carry forward my option buying positions. Option writing positions, if possible, I do carry forward. Okay, so overnight. The second thing is that during the intraday, if I see that since I got some signals and that's why I took the trade. Now if I see that again the opposite signal is coming, okay, and it's very strong, then only I close, otherwise I stay. Okay, and I have seen that yes, it works very well for me, and that's why I have been able to like close all my trades in green. Okay, so like you have seen in the past, I'm not bragging myself or something. I every day share the order list or share my profit. Now previously there was no verified by Sensible, so many questioned my integrity, but just the day it started, even like on the day it started at night, suddenly I saw that on the expiry day, the last expiry day, November month. So yes, I saw that and I suddenly posted it. Okay, so everyone will think that you are showing 6-digit profit, it might be fake, but yes, that day I suddenly saw and I posted it, and every day I'm posting it. So it's not like one day I'm posting it. So yes. Conviction next level. What about people who are using your system for trading but not as fast as a reader as you? Yes, the thing is that you see that if, what should I say, like the thing is that when someone is coming to a new system or setup, it takes time to absorb or get along with that system. And for any new system it happens, okay? You have to give it time, you have to understand, okay, if the scores are decreasing, don't think that the indicators are showing you something wrong. Okay, so I have seen this mentality that no, the indicator is wrong, I am right. Okay, the score is decreasing, no, index will go up, I am right, indicator is wrong. Don't have this attitude, okay? So try to always give reason why did the score decrease. Always go to the option chain, always try to analyze. Like today, even like I did call writing, there was another reason. Not only like the scores were going up and then dropping, going up and dropping. So when you see this pattern, like scores are going up, dropping, up, dropping, up, drop, okay? So when you, then again here you see a little up and then again a drop, you see the profit booking starts, okay? So the intraday profit booking starts, okay? So this mainly happens like if the put writing profit booking starts, okay? So that's the thing. But also there was another reason to go with call writing positions, that is at 18,600, 45 lakhs contracts, 45 lakhs OI was there, okay? Overall OI was 45 lakhs, and they were waiting to Nifty, yes. And even when I was doing call writing positions, I suddenly saw that 2 lakh OI suddenly increased. Though market was moving up here, I saw that suddenly 2 lakhs OI, it was 44 lakhs OI total, it suddenly became 46 lakhs, okay? And OI suddenly increased, and they were expecting like the market to move down and they would be closing. So that was another reason to go with call writing positions. Like now after the move, after the market, after looking at the end of the data, anyone can say like here, anyone can give any reason. Yes, I knew put call writing was happening. Yes, I knew future short was happening. Yes, I knew put buying was happening. But while it's happening, do you have the courage to tell it before it happens? So that what it matters. Like अभी आपको जान के कोई फायदा नहीं मिलने वाला, ठीक है? आप सोचेंगे कि ये आदमी बहुत महान है, ये है, ही इज ग्रेट, ही कैन डू एनी एनालिसिस, लाइक वो तो आप भी बोल सकते हो, ठीक है? वो तो आप भी अभी बोल सकते हो कि क्यों नीचे गया, कोई तो रीज़न होगा, कॉल शॉर्ट हुआ है या फ्यूचर शॉर्ट हुआ है या पुट बाइंग हुआ है, कुछ तो रीज़न हुआ, ठीक है? तो होने के पहले आप देखिए कि अगर आप बता पाते कि ऐसा होने वाला है, तो दैट इज द थिंग दैट गिव्स यू प्रॉफिट्स, दैट गिव्स यू मनी इन द स्टॉक मार्केट, ओके? होने के बाद आप जान के कोई फ़ायदा, किसी को कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं मिलने वाला है, okay? So yeah, please do like the video if you found any information helpful or anything helpful. So yes, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. So again I am saying that all I am expecting is a bull move tomorrow, first half, okay? If it also goes down a little bit in the first half, still I'll be staying with my positions, because कल बुल मूव एक देखने को मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, ठीक है? सो आई वुड बी वेटिंग फॉर इट, और इन द वेरी वेरी हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द मूव इज गोइंग टू कम इन द वेरी फर्स्ट मिनट, आई मीन like in the very first hour. Otherwise I'll just wait, and yes, after the bull move comes, after 18,700 is achieved, then I'll think, okay? So then we'll see, or while 700 is being achieved, so then we will analyze what's going to happen next, further up move or again down move, okay? Because tomorrow is Wednesday, again both side premium will be eaten, so there is a chance again both side moves, so we'll see to that, okay? But so the majority of these positions, you see, like here futures long, so now you can say that futures long में तो इन लोग का time है, yes they have time, futures long, but here you see call long, if tomorrow they wait for some more time for the call long positions, the premium is going to decrease. Tomorrow is Wednesday, okay? So the probability is in the first hour or 2 hours the move is going to come, the up move. The second point is that the put trading positions at 18,600 and yes, in Bank Nifty 43,000 as well as 43,100. Okay. So yes, so that's the thing. So yes, I have shared everything here. So yes, also like there is one more. They are the few. I mean, FIIs are buying, so they have bought a 1,200 crores. So yes, that's a good sign. And I think I have discussed everything. So sorry. Yeah, thanks. So Wolverine is my special character. So it's my favorite character. So yeah. So even in my childhood, I used to make my hairs like Wolverine. So yeah. So I use that everywhere. So yeah. Gautam Prasad, yeah, hi. Please approve me notification for how to join members of your live market and also training. If you, no, not currently. I am not providing. Currently, I am not providing any training or something because my audience is very small. So yeah. So this is the link. So you can go and check out the everything. So every details are there. So yes, so currently I'm not providing any training. So whatever like training or whatever you say, I share it over the Telegram. So it's not all about giving tips or something. So I always share why I mean what was the reason behind the trade. So I mean you in the practically I mean in the market you learn. So I mean if I teach you some theory, so that might not help you in the I mean real time market. So in the real time market, why we are analyzing and how we are doing that learning, you surely get it in the Telegram channel. So yes, I think that is more beneficial. And for a theory purpose, you can I can recommend you books so you can read that. So I think practical knowledge is more important than theory. So in these type of markets, so it doesn't follow theories. You will learn theory and you will apply all the analysis you have learned, and you'll see that the market is moving against it. So and then you'll think that theory doesn't work, nothing works, and the next day you'll see that yes, your theory is working after your stop loss got hit. So you have to understand practically how the game is played, how everything is done. So until unless that you can't be you can't achieve 80 to 90% accuracy. So I'm achieving 100% accuracy, but I always still believe that the market is supreme. So but this is due to very very hard work and learnings and other stuffs and also my indicators. So that's so together all these, so I have been with experience, so I am achieving this. But it's very tough. I must say you, it's very tough. I'm not bluffing, I am not doing any I'm not lying. So all the proofs and everything are in front of you. So thanks to Sensible so for providing these verified screenshots. If I used to tell it earlier, no one used to believe. Many questions so many commented why I am selling my indicators and all those things. Many questions came, but all I wanted to say is that yes, I will be making money in all the honest in all the honest ways possible. So it's nothing wrong in that, and it's nothing wrong to help the others. So yeah. And also I have some other goals in the futures where I'll be needing audience. So I'll have to gather audience who will be trusting me with my future goals. So yes, so overall there are many other plans for to go ahead. But yes, for now the main thing is to stick to the subscribers base, which is very low. So yeah, thanks for watching. So If you have any queries or questions, so please do ask. Otherwise, we'll end it here. So please do follow tomorrow what I said today. So that will surely help you. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning. And please do share it with the others who need similar help. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Good night.